All right, people of YouTube, welcome to Cock Saws. It's good to be with you tonight. I haven't done a whole lot of these videos, so I'm kind of excited to debut here with you guys and kind of show you what I've been working on. Getting ready for Oktoberfest and Clone Wars. I just got done porting up my 660, so I figured I'd show you a little of the work there. So anyways, let's take... so we got the exhaust there done and looking pretty good. I'm feeling pretty good about that. And got my transfers looking all right. Let's see if we can get those to hone in for you. Yeah, transfers feel pretty good. I did go ahead and raise the floor of the intake. I believe I got my numbers coming in around 76 on my intake and 123 on my transfers, and I've got my exhaust coming right in at a dead 100. So we're going to see how this runs tomorrow. Again, got the exhaust nice and important, polished and shiny. Thanks to all the guys out there on the internet for pointers on that. Got a nice outcome. And let's take one more look here. Got a little JB weld action there, getting that floor raised up. As a lot of people have said, and I agree with them, that these cylinders tend to be a little low on the floor on the intakes and can create some interesting problems, especially when you drop your base gasket out and do any other types of fun stuff with the squish bands. But this was a highway cylinder. I really didn't have to do much on the squish. I'm sitting right at about, I think, 23 thousandths. So pretty happy with that. So didn't really need to do too much, which was awesome. But look forward to getting this put in here and get it into the saw. Did a little tweaks on the skirt on the piston and did a few other little things, little tricks, and we'll see how she runs, and we'll go from there. But we'll do a video of it running sometime over the next couple days and get it posted up and see how she cuts. So thanks for the Cock Saws for our debut here, and look forward to seeing everybody at Oktoberfest. See you.